Lotus Elite 1974 to 1982. From 1974 to 1982, Lotus produced the considerably larger 4-seat Type 75 and later Type 83 Elite. With this design, Lotus sought to position itself upmarket and move away from its kit car past. The Elite was announced in May 1974. It replaced the aging Lotus Elite Plus 2. The Elite has a shooting brake body style, with a glass rear hatch opening into the luggage compartment. The Elite's fiberglass body shell was mounted on a steel backbone chassis evolved from the Elan and Europa. It had 4-wheel independent suspension using coil springs. The Elite was the first Lotus automobile to use the aluminum block 4-valve, DOC, 4-cylinder Type 907 engine that displaced 1,973 cc, 120.4 cubic inches, and was rated at 155 horsepower, 116 kilowatts. With this engine, the car does 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in 8.1 seconds and reaches a top speed of 125 miles per hour, 201 kilometers per hour. The 907 engine had previously been used in Jensen Healey's. The 907 engine ultimately became the foundation for the 2.0 liters and 2.2 liters Esprit power plants, the naturally aspirated 912 and the turbocharged 910. The Elite was fitted with a 4 or 5-speed manual transmission depending on the customer specifications. Beginning in January 1976, an automatic transmission was optional. The Elite had a claimed drag coefficient of 0.30 and at the time of launch, it was the world's most expensive 4-cylinder car. The Elite's striking shape was designed by Oliver Winterbottom. He is quoted as saying that the basic chassis and suspension layout were designed by Colin Chapman, making the Elite and its sister design the A-Claw the last Lotus road cars to have significant design input from Chapman himself. The Elite was available in 4 main variations, set apart by equipment levels, 501, 502, 503, and later on 504. Although larger and more luxurious than previous Lotus road cars, the Elite M-Clad are relatively light, with curb weights not much over 2,300 pounds, 1,043 kilograms. In 1980 the Type 75 was replaced by the Type 83, also called the Elite Mark II. This version received a larger 2,174 cc, 132.7 cubic inches, Lotus 912 engine. The chassis was now galvanized steel and the 5-speed BMC gearbox was replaced by a Getrag Type 265 unit. The vacuum-operated headlights of the earlier model were replaced with electrically operated units and the Elite was now fitted with a front spoiler, a new rear bumper and brake lights from the Rover SD1.